Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Hey everybody, I am back with one of my videos which I make specially for you, and this special video is for my young friends, the young children who are all holed up at home, who are all inside home because of this pandemic. I would like to salute all of you because you have been doing fantastically well. You have been doing so good for yourself. You have been such children, and I think you have been doing really well for yourself and for your parents because you've been very supportive. I've been talking to some of my friends, and my friends have told me that their children have been very understanding. Though they want to go out, they have been trying to understand what COVID is all about, what this virus is all about, and they have been doing the study with their parents. The parents have been trying to make them understand, and they've been very supportive with their parents, very supportive, and they have not been finicky about what they eat. Whatever has been offered to them, they go and eat that. Usually children have a tendency to go and have fast food, but now since they don't have access to that, yet they are not making it difficult for their parents. I have talked to a lot of my friends, and they've said that their children have been very well behaved and very calm and quiet and supportive during this time. And I think really I would like to say thank you to each and every child who has gone through this entire period, because I know that I have had a really great childhood, because I remember all the neighbors' kids used to come to my house, and we used to play cricket and marbles and hide and seek and fly our kites and whatnot. But right now all of you have been destined to stay at home. You have been destined to your laptops, where you have to do your online classes, you have to do your tuitions, and everything is right at home, and you have no physical activity. But then despite that, some of you, I have heard, are doing a lot of good things. In fact, you have been doing your exercises, you've been getting up early, you've been following a routine, you've been having your meals regularly, you've been very supportive with your parents, because I know for one that my son is exceptionally protective about me when I go out. Suppose it's a small marketing spree that I go out, he would make sure that I put on my masks, and then once I return, he would make sure that my clothes go into the washing machine, and he makes sure that I sanitize myself well, so that I do not bring in anything which is not necessary for the home, because I've got a mother-in-law who's 80 plus, and I don't want anything to happen to her. So you know, the kind of responsibility children have started taking, even they're very wary about any kind of worker coming into the house. My son always keeps saying that they need to wear their masks properly. We don't need workers right now. We can stay like this as it is, and we don't need anybody to come into the house, because we don't want this virus to come into at any point of time. We don't want it to spread to the house. So children have been very, very good during this pandemic, and I think if an award needs to be given, and that award, the biggest award, needs to go to all the children across the country and across the world. I say for my country, for my India, because I know that all the children here, wherever they are, whichever state they are in, they have been doing fantastically well for themselves and for their parents. They have been very reserved, and they've been very calm and quiet and very supportive. So I think the biggest award that needs to go at this moment during this pandemic is for all the children out there. And without any doubt, I would like to say that we all love all of you very much, and we're very concerned about you and your health and your studies and everything. And on top of that, we want that you do the best. On that note, I'm going to say bye to all of you. Children, stay well, stay safe, because you never know where the pandemic comes in. You have to maintain that hygiene, and you have to maintain that whatever sanitization needs to be done. Wear your masks if you're going out, even to play in your compound, or you're going to meet a friend who comes to meet you, or anything like that. But then you need to keep yourself safe, because you are the future of the country. You are the future leaders of the country. I always keep saying that. Keep yourself safe, because we need you. The country needs you, the world needs you, and that is how. Please don't unnecessarily put your fingers or your hands to your eyes or to your nose or any part of your mouth. Just keep it safe. Whenever you're coming back, make sure to sanitize yourself. And I'm going to pray for all of you. I'm going to make sure that I pray for each one of you, that you stay safe and stay happy, stay healthy. And thank you once again for being so supportive. And you have kind of given up on your playing. You've given up on 2 years of your childhood, and we are sorry for that. We are really sorry. We apologize to you for making this pandemic. We are not being able to make it go away, but we are praying it goes away, and we hope that your childhood is returned and retrieved, and you can live the best. You keep playing your games, read those books, have the best time you can with your parents. And I love all of you so much. You take care, and I'm going to see you again soon. Love all of you.